In this video, I'm going to show you how to do CPA marketing with Instagram. So how to make money on Instagram with CPA marketing. This method works worldwide, and initial method doesn't need any investment. But if you watch the video until the end, I'm going to show you how you can get an offer and 3 different ways that you can use CPA marketing to make money with Instagram. 3 different methods. So before that, I make videos on money making, money saving tutorials. I try to upload a video every single day or every other day. So watch the video until the end to win £10 PayPal money. First, what you have to do is go to CPA Lead. It's free to sign up, work worldwide, and you can create a free account with them. After that, you need to click this one called offers, and he will take you to these pages, and you can see it from here. There's a different offers for different countries. You need to filter out by each country to get offers. So what you have to do, first of all, select top 10 countries like USA, Europe, and something like that, or including your country where you are from. You can select the country list from here. After that, you need to find a special offer like a gift card voucher or giveaway, something like that. So you can see I filter out through this one is called this offer is for Germany, and you can see I found an offer that people can win iPhone 11 Pro. If they sign up for this offer, I make around 26 cents as for each sign up, each lead, right? What you have to do, you have to copy that title and you need to create a Google document, and this is the already made a pre-made document that you can see massive free offers, and this offer for USA, this for UK, and a third one for India, and this one is for Germany. So what you have to do, copy and paste that. You can make a list anywhere you want. You can make it on Word document, whatever. Why I choose Google document, because it's easy to do and it's free. And what you have to do, so you have to put the country next to the offer, so they can, because you're going to use in a one traffic Instagram, because people from different part of the world going to click your offer. They have to see which country they have to sign up, so you need to put a specific offer for each country. After you copy and paste the title, what you have to copy the affiliate link, go back to document, and you highlight the part here, and you have to insert the link by clicking here. You insert the link and click apply. This is the done, guys. So you're going to do what you're going to do, go to CPA Lead and find the different offers for each country and make a list on Google document. You can make top 10 country or top 20 countries, whatever you want, and make the list here. Now what you have to do, you have to jump onto the Instagram. So you can go to Instagram pages like this one is Christmas giveaway, because it's near Christmas. You can find these pages and see this page actually goes by this big page. You can see from here. You can ask them to put your link. So what you can do, go to Google document here and click file, and you need to find a yours. You can click this one called share, and this is the title. You have to save that. After that, it will give the shareable link. This is the share so you can get, this is the shareable link. You click this one called copy link, and if you go to a new document and paste it on here, let's see working or not, and you can see this document is working, and this is the link for that. So what you can do, you get that link, shorten the link with bit.ly, and ask them to promote your link. You can pay them money, $20, something like that. You can negotiate the price for them. Or there's a second way that you can share the profit, and you can say, this is all I'm promoting. Whenever people sign up, we make money and we can split the profit, something like that. So first, you can ask them to as an influencer. You can to negotiate as influencers. So you need to pay them money to promote your link. That's the first thing. And the second thing, you can share the profit with them. And the third one is what you're gonna do, you copy and make the page. You can see if you go back to the previous page, this is the page they created, and it's belong to this page, and you can come down to the bottom. They only have a 12 posts, and if you open and see, there's only a 20 created on October 21st. That's the first post they are created. With the 12 posts, they have 158 followers, and you can see you can get that kind of followers because of the near Christmas. People are searching for free stuff and giveaway, so you can easily create this page using Canva. Okay, you can create it for sale. You can win £10 giveaway, or you can win $100 giveaway, and you put the link, get this link on here, and people can click and sign up for each country, and you can make money. So you can see a couple of pages like this one. So this person needs to have 38 followers, and about they doing the giveaway and different things, stocks to everything. And if you go to this one, is another Christmas page that you can see 94 followers, and it's created very recently, 31st, very recently. As you can see, they are promoting a different stuff, so you can copy and paste same ideology, and you can do that very simply. So you have to, what you can do also, you can create your own post, find out what kind of offers you are promoting at the moment. You can see here that you're promoting iPhone 11, so you can put iPhone 11 picture, and you can say you win iPhone 11 for free, and people click, they come back, and they people from Germany click and sign up, and you make that money. Or you can take for the UK, they can generate a free Robuxes for the things that coins for games. So if the people are searching for that, they will click and sign up, and you make money. Or Black Friday is near, is 19th, I think it's 27th is the Black Friday. So people from USA, if they click and they sign up for this gift card, you make money, something like that. So you have to come up with the different offers, and you can promote it. You don't have to create a fan page on Christmas. You can create any name you want. You can put a worldwide giveaway, something like that. Then you can, every single month, you can update this list, and you can post 5 to 6 posts per day, so you can keep engaged with Instagram promote your post, and people can click and join, and you make a automated passive income from CPA marketing. This is one of the easiest and free method you can use CPA marketing, CPA lead or CPA marketing, and Instagram to make money. And again, like I said, guys, it won't work in overnight. You have to keep doing over and over again, and one day your post start to get more engagement, and you can make money as a passive income or automated passive income. Thanks guys for watching. If you watch a video under the end, you can win 10 pound paper money. All you have to do is leave a like, leave a comment, say I like this video. When this video get 100 likes, I will do the giveaway on the next video. Under that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.